Hello dear students, today we are going to learn a poem, chapter number 4, and the name of poem is Once I Saw a Little Bird. And after that we will do activity and make bird with the help of folded paper. So let's sing with me and recite this poem.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew.
Now dear students, I explain this poem to you. In this poem, a small child is saying that he once saw a small bird. So the child shouted, that little bird, can you stop? He went to his window and said to the little bird, how do you do it? But the little bird shook its tail and flew away. So how was the poem? I hope so you enjoy this poem. Now start the time of activity. Let's enjoy everyone.